mnonga bakaburira abantu enjiri egenderire kubahwera okubasa kutungura emiturire omu maka gabo. Ebi bibirebiri omu butumwa obumushamirwe enganzi ihanga Right Honorable ROBINAH NABBANJA aha mukoro ogw'okusiima Ruhanga ogubire guriho nanokubasa kutongoza enguuto hamwe nanokubyara ibare ahirwariro erikuza kombekwa aha bureberezi obwa Ankole.
Omutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga His Excellency Museveni kandi obushomirwe Right Honorable ROBINAH NABBANJA engazi y'ihanga nagira ngu ekanisa ehikirire negera kushomesa abakurasi bayo okugira amagara marungi okukora n'amaani ahabw'entunguka yabo.
Have spectators in the drive towards increasing the household incomes. 38% of the Ugandan households are still trapped in subsistence farming, that is, working only for the stomach. They should be helped to become wealth producers and job creators through commercial and modernized agriculture.
Museveni ayongire yagira ngo hari ibintu ebirikurebwa ebishemeye kuba nibitibwa omu nkora omuntu wa burijo yabana yenda kutura shemerirwe aina amagara marungi kandi agarukwesimsa. Ogu ayongire yagira ngo ibura rya sente neribasa kuywaho bwanyuma yo kutandikaho ebikurete sente nka ibyo buhingi no burisa amakorro obuhereza hamwe n'ebyakarmagezi.
In a modern economy, you cannot obtain the goods and services which are necessary to sustain life without money. Therefore, the first step that must be taken by an individual or household is to eliminate moneyless or subsistence living, which satisfies only one need, i.e. food. Moneyless can be eliminated by undertaking a profitable enterprise in one of the four sectors of commercial agriculture, industries, services and ICT.
Ogu ayongire yasima obureberezi bwa Ankole abo kwatanasa kandi bukahajagika government omukuhindura embera y'abantu baburijo omuyanga lyona.
I want to commend the leadership of the Diocese of North Ankole for its efforts in fostering unity, peace and development among the believers. Government recognizes the diocese projects aimed towards job creation and poverty eradication.
Aha mukoro ngogumwe uriyo mureberezi w'obureberezi bwa Ankole Right Reverend Stephen Namanya nawe asimire President w'ihanga Museveni abo gukora n'amaani hatari mukuruha omukuhindura embera hamwe n'entunguka y'ihanga.
Icyo kubanza ngenda kusima mukuru w'ihanga ryitu President Museveni ku leta transformation, total transformation mu ihanga ryitu. Uganda akaba harimo abantu abarukungana bazaheru ngati Uganda ubwo buhungiro bw'abantu babashobeye kandi umuntu ariko basa kungira hatinde businyi. You run the place which is safe. So mbwenu twenda kusima mukuru w'ihanga abo creatinga environment erikushetiyo
kandi bo abanyishengero habwakiruhura abarimu Wilson Kajwenge umunyishengero habwishaza ya Nyabushozi Jovanes Rwenduru umunyishengero kazi ahabwa district ya Kiruhura nabo borekere eby'abantu barukwetenga ebyakubasa kukorwaho kandi bikabahereza okuturage.
We have been promised that the first consignment of 3 million doses will arrive at Entebbe. Uganda has 14 million susceptible statistic of livestock. When I spoke to the Minister for Agriculture and Jangu, it is the Ministry of Finance that is delaying release of the amount needed to have the 10 million doses that your government promised. When ninchikushaba omwisho gabantu aba mbajwekeire ngu Ministry of Finance eshoze sente doses zombazo gokutsirika ejwa zishaha mangu amasiyo gaitu gatafa
kandi ikizibu cya marriages nacyo tikikahwiremo up to date hakiri yabari kubishingira barabato konka bishiki banje nabojo nanimba shabira ngo ntango wabarebesa prime minister abagirire mbabaza umushombe muheze ahubwo kuba nimwe numbasa kurwamba prime ministers.
Irwareri ya North Ankole Mission Hospital nerwaro kubanza kubari nimwe bitanda 50 aho kuzarra aho kushemereza aho kuragurira ndware ziri mu katibi okukebera na no kuragurira abarwire basirimu okuragurira mino hamwe n'izindi zona kandi irwareri ribarirwe mukombe kwa sente ziri kwingana billion 2 na miliyoni 200. Ndi Job Kato wa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kiruhura.
Webale Job Kato na Makrago. Omakraga